Hi everyone, this is Pawan and you're watching the channel called The Virtual Coach. In this video, I'm going to tell you that the top colleges in Karnataka in 2021. So we know that due to the COVID-19, there is lots of effect on the educations as well. And at the same time, there are so many admissions which are going on in the engineering. And also we know that the KCET examination already completed and we are about to get the results as well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that the top colleges in Bangalore or let's say in Karnataka as well. So we also talk about how these colleges are classified, based on what parameters it is classified. So if you have that kind of doubt in your mind, then this is the right place that you can get information all about. So watch this video completely for the complete information. So let us start this video without wasting our time. Now for that you have to go to the Google and enter the website called Shiksha.com. So there's a suggestion. I'm going to click on that, and if you click on that, you have to click on the first link and then we'll see what kind of website is going to open. Okay, so it has opened the home page for Shiksha. Now you have to select on the engineering field. So here at the top you can see the top ranked colleges, and at the right you can see in Bangalore, Karnataka, all those kind of stuff. So if you click on top engineering college in Karnataka, so if you click on that, we are going to get overall colleges in Karnataka. Okay, so there are totally 270 engineering colleges in Karnataka, which of all full-time distance learning and part-time mode of study. So these colleges provides a degree courses. Out of this, 20 engineering colleges are in Karnataka ranked by NIRF for degree courses in full-time mode of study. So there are 20 colleges which are ranked by NIRF. So we'll see what kind of college that they're talking about. So the number one colleges in Karnataka, out of that, the first one is the National Institute of Technology of Karnataka, which is in Surathkal, right? So it is ranked 13 in the NIRF. So can you believe that? Actually, the top 10 you going to get all NITs and IITs, and it is ranked as the 13. So it's a National Institute of Technology of Karnataka, which is in Surathkal. Okay, now if you talk about next college, you have Manipal Institute of Technology, which is ranked 45. And then if you see further, there is a VCS for a VTU, basically we say. So it's ranked 55. Then there is a Ramaya Institute of Technology, which is ranked 59. Then you have IIT Bangalore, which is International Institute of Information Technology, which is ranked 62. And then if you see, the next is RV College of Engineering. This is also best college in Karnataka as well, and also in Bangalore. So this is ranked 70. Then you have BMS College of Engineering. Then you have Siddhaganga, then PES, then NHCE, which is New Horizon College of Engineering. So it is ranked 114. So these are the colleges that you can see in the top. So if you get the proper idea what kind of colleges are getting top ranked in the NIRF or whatever it is, so you will get a particular idea that how to give the options in the counseling. So that's what the main intention of this video. So I hope you have got the idea and how to source the colleges. So you're going to get a complete thing, and also you can get the cutoff as well. So based on your rank, you can decide that how to do the counseling during the KCET counseling. Now if you keep on going, there are different kinds of colleges like CMRIT, REVA. So these are also colleges. It's engineering college, but not that much great. So you can see the rank is like 251, 300 NIRF ranking. So you can go based on your rank. You should not give a wrong entry, so that even though you got a proper rank or the good rank, you're going to get you're not going to get a better college. So that's why you should not make such mistake. Make sure you do so many research before entering the options. So that's what I wanted to say to you all people, and all the best for your results as well. Now again, if you see at the left, you can see search locations. You can also search by the location. In Bangalore you have 21 colleges, in Belagavi you have 2, in Karnataka you have 2, Mysore 2, and then Dharwad 1. So these are the different locations that you can apply. And if you talk about total fees, you have like different colleges charges different fees based on their academics. So you have less than 1 lakh, then you have 1 to 2 lakh, then you have 2 to 3, then 3 to 5. So these are the different category, or you can say filter, that you apply to find out the colleges, right? Okay, Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. That's all from this video, and if you like this information, make sure you're going to drop a like as well, and comment if you have any doubt regarding the KCET and all the other exams as well. So make sure before leaving the subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll notify for my next video whenever I'm going to upload. And in the upcoming days I'm going to upload the video regarding the KCET counseling, so that will be quite important for you. So don't forget to press the bell icon. So thank you so much for watching this video.